Welcome back. Here's a dramatic revelation that's again put the spotlight on China's role in the global COVID outbreak. It's now emerged that as many as 3 researchers at China's Wuhan laboratory got sick with COVID-like symptoms and were hospitalized. According to the Wall Street Journal, which cites a US intel report, 3 Chinese researchers got afflicted even before the COVID-19 outbreak was confirmed. China had earlier refused to give any raw data on early COVID-19 cases to the WHO-led team probing the origins of the pandemic. This revelation has now led to even Chief Medical Advisor to the United States President, Dr. Anthony Fauci, seeking a deeper probe into the origins of coronavirus.
No, I'm not convinced about that. I think that we should continue to investigate what went on in China until we find out, to the best of our ability, exactly what happened. Certainly, the people who've investigated say it likely was the emergence from an animal reservoir that then infected individuals, but it could have been something else, and we need to find that out. So, that's the reason why I said I'm perfectly in favor of any investigation that looks into the origin of the virus.
Geeta Mohan is joining us live with more details on this. Geeta, so a complete turnaround by someone like Dr. Anthony Fauci, who in the past said there was no need for an investigation, now is endorsing a probe, saying he's not convinced either. But as far as this new intel report is concerned, Geeta, what information does it really give that again leads to that speculation about this being a lab-made virus?
Well, the fact that there is an intelligence report that speaks of how there were 3 researchers who had sought medical attention in November of 2019 goes to show that there was something that was off in the Wuhan Institute of Virology way before the first cases were even reported by China of a COVID outbreak or of COVID cases within China. So that's the first instance or evidence of something that was not right in the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Having said that, Dr. Fauci now says that there needs to be an investigation that needs to be done to get to the root of the cause of this entire problem, the outbreak. We know that there was a team that was sent by the WHO. They came back saying that it doesn't seem like it was a lab-created virus, but they did not have all the details with them. They were working with whatever access was provided to them by the Chinese authorities. Where are the details of the initial reports, initial findings, or initial days of when the COVID-19 cases were being registered in China? Those details were not provided to the team. Therefore, for the United States of America or any other country, the international community to seek details from China is only valid. Having said that, there is also diplomatic war that is on between US and China, both sides blaming each other. China saying that all these reports, these so-called intelligence reports, are only agenda-driven. The United States of America saying that if China is that clean, it should then really come clean.
Absolutely. Geeta, thank you for those details. The chorus is now growing for, again, a formal investigation, one where China doesn't hold back any of the details. Here's a conversation that we had with author and filmmaker Dinesh D'Souza on these claims that coronavirus was manufactured in a Wuhan lab.
Even Dr. Fauci now admits that COVID-19 might have come out of a Wuhan lab. Not out of a meat market, not naturally, so to speak, jumping from bats to other animals to humans, but rather a manufactured virus negligently let loose by the Chinese through the Wuhan lab. This was part of a project that the United States and the Chinese were in on together, both pursuing this kind of very dangerous research. And what strikes me about all this is not only Fauci's change of position, because earlier Fauci was very confident in saying, no, this virus emerged naturally out of a meat market or something similar to that.